Hello guys, this is my birds feeding spot. You can see there I have a bird feeder over there and the water feeder somewhere here. It's just the DIY feeders, and I had another tray somewhere here to feed normal food, rice and like fruits and stuff. It just broke off, and I have a small tray here, and during rainy season it just gets wet all the time, so you can't feed it for very long time. It's very difficult and it looks so ugly. So I have an idea to build one where even if it rains the food won't get wet, something like that. So let me start working on that. I have bought some pots, clay pots and rods and nuts and bowls and welding plants, grinder and all this kind of DIY stuff. I bought it already, and I'll show you how I can make it possible. I started feeding birds when I was in Abu Dhabi. I saw a bird feeder in Adgas company. So it was really inviting to sit and watch birds eating food. This thing, almost the same thing. They had about 5 or 6 same thing bird feeders, and there were so many birds and doves eating food, and I really liked it. So I ordered one from eBay and got it down, and it's almost about 9 years now. And this water feeder, I made it out of plastic PVC, cut and chop and did some work, and yeah, the water feeder is working fine. And this is my normal fruits and bird feed. This is what I'm going to change it. I want to hang something somewhere here, a bird feeder, so even if it rains it won't get wet. Okay, let's start doing it. It's heavily raining here. This is my small lily pond with a solar panel on. If it's a sunny day, there'll be water pump used to work here. Since it's raining, it's not working. The sky is so gloomy, and I have my orchid bloom. Okay, what I bought this is a traditional clay pot lid. There's a curry pot, you can just close it like this. It's made out of clay. So I bought one of these and a clay plate, a terracotta plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to fix these two together like this. The lid is larger and the plate is smaller, so if there is any rain, the rainwater drips all around, it doesn't go inside. So I'm going to put a rod in the center and tighten it up, and then we can hang it. That's my idea. And also I'm just going to put 2-3 holes here. So in case if it got wet, if there is any water, it can drain from this plate. So let's start this by drilling all this, and it's very simple thing. Let's see how it works. And I have a very small drill bit, and I couldn't find a bigger one to match that rod. Tools which I got all new stuff, just used only once before. Let's start with another pot. Here, see how it works. There's a center point marked here. So if I drill it center, so the plate will be balanced all over. Just doing it gently because it's clay, it might break. I want to weld this nut here so that it can be hanged on a tree or somewhere. So to do that I have to do a small welding. These are my new welding plans. I never used it before. Hope it works fine. So witnessing in front of you. I'm not an expert in this, but let me try to weld because it's only a small weld. I should be able to do it. It's a brand new, giant brand, a small DIY welding plant. It's ideal for home use, not for commercial purposes. Jet 38 12. I think that's the least welding rod we can use for. The smallest welding rod. Wish me good luck, guys. Just things on try out. This doesn't work. This is clear enough. Let's try 135. I had some kind of a plan, I should be able to do it quickly, but in this case, it's very difficult. Okay, then. Finally, I used my tiny little welding plant. Let's keep this aside and I will work on the builder. Put one washer here. So it stops between the lid. I'll put another washer. Have a try. Pen plate, putting washer. It's another one here. Hand tight is here. See. And that's it. Oh, this if the distance is too much, I can do it in one. Somewhere like this. Okay, I found the plier. I'm not tightening it too much because it's a clay pot. Even if it breaks, it's very easy. Buy another pot, fix it. It's that simple. Okay, that's it. Let's find a place to hang this. Okay, guys, let's hang this somewhere. Woohoo! All these lights are fixed here. If it rains, it got wet. Okay. Now what am I going to do? Put all the food here. The rice is already wet. Hopefully they can come and sit all over the place and they can eat. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy this video.